The increase in the use of smartphones has also increased the rate of cyber crimes these days. Many times, malware and other viruses can enter your iPhone or Android phones through a link or an app without even letting you know. These viruses on smartphone devices target weak areas in your operating system, resulting in data mining, financial gain, or network corruption. So it is very important to keep a check on what you download or browse on internet, because a little bit of carelessness can make you a victim of cybercrime. In this video, we have listed down few tips and tricks that will help you protect your smartphone from viruses.
So the very first thing that you need to do is to download apps from the trusted stores only. Use places such as Google Play. Always make sure to check ratings and reviews if they are available, and read the app's privacy policy to see exactly what phone features it will have access to if you download. Secondly, you need to avoid jailbreaking or modifying your phone. Moving on, you always should and must check app permissions before installing any app, so you're aware of what the app will access. After this, back up your data regularly and keep your phone software updated to the latest version. The next important thing that you need to do is to always turn off your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi when not in use. Well, you think of them as ways to connect to something, but thieves can use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect to your device and access files.
So these are a few tips and tricks following which can keep your smartphones away from any kind of virus and malwares. We hope this video was helpful. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.